Hi guys, my name is Ash and this is the first in a series of videos where I will be letting you guys know what apps that I find interesting. It's kind of like when I first moved into Android and I stepped into the Android market, I kind of found the place a little too overwhelming with way too many ads with little description. So I thought I'd make a series of videos, with interesting apps and ones I find really useful. So in case, if you guys do like this video, I'd suggest you hit the subscribe button so that, I will be bringing you more videos like this. Okay, let's get to it. The first app that I'm going to talk to you guys about is called Cube, or the number 3. So this is a music player, and what sets this player apart from the others is that it's got a cube kind of display. So you can just scroll this way for letters up and down, and you can just tap on something and play all, and it's gonna play the song for you. One good thing about this app is that it's got a get art button that lets you actually download the cover art, and that's pretty precise even for non-English songs. Again, you get options for playlists and stuff, and under preferences you also get an option to use headset. So for those of you who actually like using AVRCP headsets, like this one, this is an AVRCP headset from Jabra. AVRCP means audio video remote control profiles, as in you can skip songs, or you can play and pause right from your headset. So if you're using Bluetooth headsets like that, this app is compatible with that. So got a lot of options, but then again, it's a pretty simple app. And you get other view modes as well. Say this is the cubic view mode, and the one you saw first was a more metro-like UI, and they've named it boring. And you've got the wall mode, where it works pretty much like this. And then you've got the morph flow. The morph flow is kind of like the cover flow from iTunes. So these are the modes, and this is my music player of choice because it's pretty good. So that's the first app on the list. The next one I'd like to talk to you guys about is called Home Manager. There might be a lot of you guys who actually like using different launchers. I myself prefer jumping between Go Launcher X and TouchWiz, when I make my videos and stuff. So it's a pain to have to go into applications, settings applications, and clear the defaults every time to switch between launchers. And Home Manager kind of does it for you. You go into Home Manager, it'll show you what launchers you have running, and it also has a clear default home button. You just hit it, and your defaults are cleared. So when you tap the menu button, or the home button rather, there are no defaults set, and you get an option of jumping into TW Launcher or Go Launcher X or whatever launcher it is that you have installed. Or you can set the default again and move in. So this is a very handy little app that I use from time to time, so I thought I'd let you guys know about it. The next app on the list is for comic book lovers, and it's called Perfect Viewer. So this is the best comic book app that I've come across, including I prefer this over other apps like Android Comic Viewer and so on, because it's really good. You can zoom in, zoom out. You just have to tap somewhere and you move to the next page, or tap lower and you move to the next book. The advantage of this app is that it's got something called the bookshelf setting. So you go into bookshelf, it actually lists all the books that you have over here. So since I have a lot of books, it kind of takes a while to load up. So right now I'm in the asterisk folder. These are the folders that I have. Say for example, I jump into Archies. These are the books that I have. It's a handy little GUI. So that's it for the comic book viewer. The next app on the list, while we are on the subject of books, is ezPDF Reader, and this is one of the best PDF readers that I've come across, because it's very smooth. It gives you a lot of turning animations and stuff, and it is also one of the readers that, you know, the PDF readers that actually render the PDF files the fastest. So let me quickly open up some book. Okay, so as you can see, the page turns are smooth, and you can also zoom out. I mean, you can zoom in, and when you're zoomed in, you can just, instead of turning the pages, you can just scroll down to move on to the next page. So that's also pretty good because you don't need to zoom out every time and then turn a page. So this is my PDF reader of choice, the one I go to whenever I need to have a PDF file that I need to read. I mean, no matter if it's on my phone or my Android tablet, this is the one I use. So that's pretty much it for that. The next app on the list that I'd like to tell you guys about is BigSpeed Wallpapers. Again, this is a free app, and this is one of the best wallpaper apps that I've come across. You get a lot of options to choose from, and you can also see the latest wallpapers that they've uploaded based on date. So say I want this wallpaper, all I need to do is go in, select the wallpaper, and I can go ahead and save it if I want to, so that I can switch between and get back to it later, and then I can set it as my wallpaper. So I'm gonna set it right now. And I'm gonna go out, so you can see the wallpaper has been set. And now let me quickly go into gallery. So there will be a folder called My BigSpeed Wallpapers, and under that you can see that the wallpaper has been downloaded locally as well. And as you can see, it's pretty high resolution, so that's one of the reasons I like it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you like the apps that I talked about, if you found them interesting, hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to be making more videos like these. In case you guys have any kind of questions, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. So my email ID, the link to my Facebook and Twitter pages are all found in the description. So you can just go ahead, click on it, and you can follow me on Twitter or Facebook, you know, to stay up to date with my updates, because I'll be updating those pages first. So that's pretty much it for now, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit subscribe. Bye bye now.